start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So we have got a brand new, updated, upgraded version of the nail tips and glue gel set from Kredioo. Guys, I'm so impressed with this. I mean, I liked the last one, but particularly the tips in this one, amazing. Packaging's upgraded. You get a box of tips, 500 tips. Look at these tips. They're pre-etched, pre-buffed. They're slightly frosted. Super soft, super thin. I love them. This case is numbered 0 to 9. The tips are actually 1 to 10. So bear that in mind if you get them. The 0 is a 1. Can you see? Yeah, 1 to 10. It's the case that says 0 to 9. Look at this fit, guys. It's my thumb that I can never get tips to fit. Look at that. And actually, it needs a millimetre. Just a millimetre shaving off. They fit. Perfect. I'm in love with these tips. These are my new favourite full cover tips. Absolutely fantastic. And they've got a beautiful, beautiful little apex. Yeah, I'm really, really impressed with these tips. I love them. So, yeah, I will leave links below for this kit. And they're always very kind enough to give us discount codes. I'm sure they'll have another. So this is a lamp. This is the same as what came in the last kit. Nothing wrong with that. You get a dehydrator, guys, and you need these. And you get your nail glue. This nail glue is a good one as well. It is. Good little full cover tips kit, this. And the file is upgraded, and you can tell a massive difference. I love that when companies listen to feedback and fix things. Love it, and I appreciate it. So there's little clips there as well to hold your tips on while you cue them. Yeah, this lamp is a good one. I like it. It's got 3 little lights, and you can feel cool air blowing out of them little holes. So it's a good one. So I'm just going to give my nails a quick clean using some prep and wipe, and I'm just going to show you putting a couple of these tips on, and we'll do a quick little design. So a quick bit of nail prep. You need to push your cuticles back, and then just use the other end of the cuticle pusher. Use the scraper, scrape away any dead skin. Prep is so important, guys, if you want your nails to stay on. It really is. Take 5 minutes to prep them properly, and you'll get an extra week or so out your nails. They won't pop off after a few days. So yeah, let's get these prepped. I do most of this when I take my previous set off, so there's never a lot to do anyway. So I'm just going to use my nippers now. I'm always reluctant to show me using nippers because, yeah, they're so dangerous unless you, I'm going to say it, a proper nail tech. I'm always cutting myself. Just be careful with them, guys. Or use your e-file and buff it off. Buff it off, that's the best bet. Don't use snippers if you're a beginner. Right, now I'm just going to buff off all that shiny surface. And then that is my boring but very important preppy stuff done. Another clean. That prep spray, it's just alcohol. So I'm going to give my nails now a good dousing of the dehydrator. This will just get all the natural oils off your nail. And now we're going to use the nail glue. So this is how I do it. Might not be the way you do it, but it's the way I do it. I put a strip down my nail, then I put a little bit in the nail tip. See, you don't have to buff these tips. They're already done, ready to go. Bish, bash, bosh, done. And I'm just going to press it down at the cuticle, and then just push that glue, that gel, up the nail till it completely covers the nail. Stick it in a lamp. Guess what? That's it done. That's it, guys. I put it on wonky. I was hoping you wouldn't notice it, but there, I've told you now. Put it on a bit wonky, but it's alright because I sorted it out with the file. So I'm just going to show you doing this one more. Quick strip of the gel glue down my nail. Little bit in the tip. Push it at the cuticle. Squeeze all the glue. Cover your nail. Put it in the lamp. Done. So I'm going to get the rest of these done off camera now. It's hot. I'm giddy. I'm tired. Put up with it or scroll on, click off, give it a thumbs down. Right, so that is them all on now. I managed to get all the rest of them on really straight, and I've kind of sorted the pinky out. Kind of. Or is it camera trickery? You will never know. So I'm just using a really skinny e-file bit now. And sometimes you get a little bit of glue that leaks out the side. So I'm just getting that off. Yeah, that's all I'm doing here. I'm just getting little bits of glue that have leaked out the sides. I'm just using this skinny ceramic bit and just getting them out. So now I'm just going to buff off all the shiny surface because I'm going to put gel polish on these. Gel won't stick to a shiny surface. So get all the shiny surface off. Right, so I'm going to put a base coat on these. I just think colour goes on a base coat much better. So I'm going to give these a quick base coat. This is the base coat that comes in a pack with super top coat. I'll leave links to everything I've used in the description box anyway. I'm going to cure this in the lamp now for 30 seconds. So this gel polish, C019, I think this is out the purple or the pink kit. I can't remember. I will double check and I'll leave a link for it below. It's out of a pack of 6. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour. I love it with my skin tone. I shouldn't be painting this pinky. This pinky was meant to be white. So I'll wipe it off in a minute. But I'm going to give the rest of the nails except the thumb. So just the pointer, middle and ring is going to have a coat of this. The pinky and the thumb is going to be white, but I wasn't thinking straight. And I'll do the second coat of everything off camera. Beautiful colour this, isn't it? I love it. It's really opaque as well. It's a nice gel. They're all nice gels actually, from Kredioo. I've enjoyed all of them. So that's all my base colours, base layers down. They've all had 2 coats. So on this pointer finger and the ring finger is going to be the same. I'm just doing a bit of like a square French tip, would you call it? Kind of a squared off kind of French tip. I don't know what you call it. Square French tip. I'm calling it a square French tip. I'll just show you doing this one. I'll do the ring finger off camera. So I'm going to put a little bit of glitter on the middle finger. This is Blizzard from HCS Nail Art Supplies, and it's just a plain white matte hex mix. I'm just going to put the glitter into this wet base coat. I just want a little glitter fade coming up from the tip. So I'm going to use just some of the medium hexes. I didn't want the large ones. So I'm just going to fill the tip of this nail with the glitter, yeah, and just fade it off up the nail. And then once I'm happy with that, that's going to get put in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now we've got another glitter. I don't know where this is from, guys. This was sent to me from a friend, Nails by Cami. It's stunning. So this pinky has had a base coat. No, I'm lying. It's not had a base coat. I'm putting this glitter straight into the tacky layer of the gel polish because I'm going to burnish this glitter. So I'm just completely covering that tacky layer with the glitter. And then I'm just going to pat it down with my finger, make sure it's all stuck. And then just sweep all the excess off with the brush. Oh, it's beautiful. I never burnish glitter. I always forget. And you get a totally different effect. I love it. So a quick bit of stamping. I'm just going to stamp this butterfly. I'm using She Modern sticky stamping polish because I want to pour that same glitter onto this butterfly. So get rid of all the bits I don't want. And then this is going to get stamped on the ring finger. And then I'm just going to pour that same glitter into that butterfly. And then we can get these top coated and finished. there we go, guys. That is them finished. I love these. I've always loved white nails. I know they're not completely white, but I've always had a thing for white nails. I think these are really, really nice. Gosh, I need to get my right hand done. These have been on 3 weeks. So that's the super top and base that I used. And this is the kit. Like I said, I'll leave all links below. These tips, if you struggle to find full cover tips, well, for me personally, these are fantastic. So maybe give them a try. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.